Is just about perfect, just the way we want it.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
Nice
Temperatures,
afternoon.
I mean, 80s for high temperatures.
Yeah.
Other parts of the country, they probably think, yeah, it's normal. But for us, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
It is.
Temperatures have been heading off into the 50s and 60s, and we are looking at 80s for the afternoon high. Everything looks good, so let's go outside and see just where it might look even better. And that's, of course, Lake Travis, as the levels are up. And you can see the traffic there off in the distance. I bet a lot of folks are looking off at the water and wishing they were out there. Maybe you too. This, by the way, from Steiner Ranch Steakhouse. We certainly appreciate the live view from atop the restaurant there. Great place to eat. Great looking place, as you can tell. Looks like it is going to be beautiful across the area for the next several days. If you're going to be getting out, not so much out in the Gulf. Hurricane Paula, a Category 2 hurricane, winds at 100 miles per hour, gusts to 121, moving north at 4 miles per hour. You can see how it continues to the north and then takes a bit of an easterly turn, heads right into Cuba. It looks like it's going to just take the island linear in fashion and die out somewhere almost halfway through that island into really into a tropical low this weekend. So a very big rainmaker for those folks. 80 degrees, some scattered cloud cover, high thin clouds typically, winds from the north at 10 miles per hour. We talked about a breeze out of the north from 5 to 15 today, dead center in the middle of that, and the concern was with a breeze like that, it might be able to stir up the different allergy issues that we have around here, ragweed being one of the bigger ones. So if you have had some problems with ragweed, maybe avoid too much outdoor exposure today. Humidity is down, 41%. Very dry, cool air out there. Certainly enjoying the weather that we've had. Temperatures this morning into the 50s and 60s. Now 50 was the coldest out at Fredericksburg. Tomorrow morning, we're likely to be 50s and 40s. 40s out of the west, likely out at Bergstrom to have some temperatures that direction as well. We're at 80 here with the 70s local. Let's go with the forecast. It takes us to about 84 for this afternoon. We are ahead of the temperature noon-wise. You can see 77. We're at 80. But I think overall, we're still going to average out in the mid-80s this afternoon. More on our forecast into the weekend and when that rain is coming up. Sean.